Alright, so I got the hard drive caddy out. And so right now, just two screws that go into the wood in this case. What I'm going to do now is go ahead and start unplugging wires. And I'll take the expansion cards out, the TV tuner, video card, sound card, pull all that stuff out, and get it out of the way. And then I can go ahead and I think my next thing would be to take the power supply out so I can get to the screw right down in there. I really don't want to take the CPU cooler off right now, so I'm trying to get the motherboard off with it attached. So I'm going to have to get down in there to get to that screw, so I need to take the power supply off to get to it. So let me get those cards out and power supply out and everything unplugged, and we'll go from there. So I can't easily get the power supply off with this heatsink on and with the motherboard in it because it's all in the way and this wood thing's in the way. You can't, just not enough room to get it out. Almost go, but I've slid it back far enough where I can get in there and get that screw and get that plug undone from the motherboard. I've got all the other, I've got the front panel plugs still to go here. So all those are undone. Get all this stuff out of the way. Yeah. So let me get this plug undone, then I'll take all the motherboard screws out. Standoff screws. Alright. Here we go. We've got everything. Starting to see over there, I don't think we got any screws left. And probably gonna need both hands to do this. Let me see if I can get that tie wrap undone. I can stare at the motherboard for just a minute. Got the tie wrap here. We get this power connector out of the way. And get all of our cables out of the way. This case is cramped. And the motherboard is out. Here we go. Here's the motherboard. Ew. Grimy. Need to get that cleaned up. Alright. Set this down. And pop the back plane out. And get the power supply out. Oop, we still got something still plugged in. No, it wasn't plugged in, it's just hooked. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna take this apart, but you can get a pretty good look at the caps and stuff. And from what I can tell, everything looks good. I'll be reusing this power supply. The ones I can see look good. I can see quite a few of the capacitors. Don't see any bulging ones. And the power supply is working fine. We'll just blow it out. reuse it. So I think we're done with this case. I'll leave this fan in here. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and unmount those drives and everything so that we leave this case just a bare case. Alright, so I've got the drives and everything out. Cover up the name. This was a drive I had replaced. No wonder it was having issues. Must have been slim pickings when I built this thing. And this drive lasted a few more years, but definitely was having issues. So it failed an install, and it was getting extremely hot, so I replaced it. The customer wanted to replace it. It failed with errors. So I had I forget what utility it was. It was real good about repairing hard drives. I ran it against this drive, and it repaired it, and it passed the test. Repaired 5 bad sectors, and then it passed, gave it a clean bill of health afterwards. Anyway, so that drive probably was dying. And it was let's see if it's got a date on it. Date code 05084, maybe 2005? 2008? Don't know. Anyway, Blu-ray drive. So we need to put the back plane in. And one of them, there's one in the case. Which one goes where? So we got this one. Yeah, I need to blow that off. So I'm going to take the motherboard outside and blow it out. Actually, you know what? We're at a good stopping place. We're going to stop here. I'm going to stop here for tonight. And this will be the removal section. And then in the next video, we'll start putting it all together. Thanks for watching.